This guide will help you download invoices on Wrike specifically tailored for marketers. Follow these steps to easily access and save your invoices. Step 1. Log into your Wrike account. Access your Wrike account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to view and download invoices. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, locate the billing section in the main menu. This area typically contains all financial documents, including invoices. Step 3. Select the Invoices tab. In the billing section, find and click on the Invoices tab. This will display a list of all available invoices associated with your account. Step 4. Choose the invoice to download. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Download the invoice. Look for the download option, usually represented by a download icon or a button labeled download. Click it to save the invoice to your device in your preferred format. Now you can easily access and manage your invoices on Wrike. If you have any further questions, consult the Wrike Help Center or reach out to the support team.